Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then welcome. I'm Lauren. So today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of some Missguided things that I got. So this is a collaboration that I'm doing with Missguided, and they sent me a couple of things, and you guys, it took so long for it to get delivered. Like, I've been waiting. If you guys have seen those memes of like people that are just looking outside their window waiting for their package to be delivered, that's me. I know that like delivery has been an issue recently with the coronavirus and now like the post office and stuff, but you guys, I was so excited for this package. Finally it arrived today. I have not opened like each individual thing, so everything is still in like their individual baggies, and I thought that I would unbox it or like unbag it for you guys today. So let's get into it. So I'm looking at my order confirmation on my phone just to give you guys like the actual name of everything that I got. So the first thing that I got is the blue knitted mini dress. It's this one. So this is an item that I kind of just chose because I didn't know what else to get. I'm really picky about the stuff that I choose from like website. I always love looking at how the product looks on a model just so that I know the fit and how it's kind of gonna look on me. This one actually didn't have a model. It was just like a picture of the product, and it didn't have any sold out sizes at the time, so I don't know if that's a good sign or not, but this is the dress. So it has like a square neckline. It's very stretchy, and like even when I do this, I feel it stretching. But yeah, it looks kind of cozy. I don't know about the length. I feel like, I mean, it's not ugly. I just think like this might be a little too high. Like the neckline, that's a little weird. I'm gonna try it on and see what it looks like. I'm gonna have to scrunch it because it looks like it's an awkward length. The color is really pretty, kind of like a bluish gray color. I think wearing like a blouse, like a white button up top under this with some cute boots for fall, like that would be kind of cute. So honest review, now that I've worn it, it's kind of like ill-fitting in certain areas. I don't really like the neckline. I wish it had been a little lower, but it's not ugly and the color is cute. But I personally I wouldn't purchase this one. Maybe I'll just figure out how to style it. But yeah, this is the first dress. So the second thing that I got is called Tall Stone Rib Crew Neck Bodysuit. Is tall like from the tall? You know how they have like a petite line, the plus size, and I think the tall? So maybe that's not a good thing because I'm really short. So it's just a normal bodysuit. I really like the color and I like the pattern on the material. It's like ribbed. This is from the tall collection now that I see it. So I mean, it's a bodysuit, so I don't think the tall thing would be too much of an issue. I just think when it's tall, it means that this part is a lot longer. So I'm gonna have a lot of like loose fabric in an area that I don't want to have any loose hanging fabric. So I think that's the only issue, but I got this one in the size UK4 US 0. I like getting bodysuits a 0 because I feel like they're tighter. It's also a very stretchy material, which is why I also get things smaller. The color says it's cream, but it kind of is giving me like a little bit of like a greenish look, which I don't mind. And I think this top with some jeans and like sneakers is a cute look. You can never go wrong with some bodysuits. So the next one is, I don't know how to say this word.
Ecru.
Ecru Cord Wrath straight leg jeans. I mean, can they not just say like jeans? Oh, I remember these. I hope these fit. Because I'm really short. I never like buying pants from places unless I try them on. So I got them a size US 4 because I like my jeans to not be so tight on me. When I stand up, they look a little loose, but when I sit, it's when I feel the most comfortable. So that's why I got it a US 4. I think they look kind of white on camera, but they're actually like a cream, like a beigey color. Oh, it's Ecru. Is that a color? Ecru? I have to Google that. I'm really confused. I really like this color for fall, even with this same bodysuit that I showed you guys earlier with some gold jewelry, you guys. Like, this is a whole look. So these pants are a no for sure. Like, look how big they are on me. Maybe their sizing runs big, but just know that these pants are really, really big and they're extremely baggy. Like, it's not even flattering. These pants are a no. As much as I love them and I love the color, they're just not gonna work. Okay, so last time that I ordered from Missguided, I got a bucket hat. It's a reversible bucket hat, so it's like beige on one side and black, and I fell in love with it. I think it's so cute. I was looking through their bucket hats again, and I found another one. This is their black MSGD print bucket hat. So it's just their Missguided logo all over a bucket hat. The print kind of gave me like Dior vibes from like far away. I don't know, but I thought it was really cute. It is more like an impermeable material, so it's really good for like rainy days. So it does seem a little big on my head. I mean, it's not horrible, but I just feel like a gardener. I wish it was a little tighter like that. No biggie. I mean, it's not ugly. I think it's a look for fall. Okay, the next thing is the white notch neck sleeveless crop top. Am I the only one that like doesn't like to break packaging? Like I like to find the way that it opens. I don't know. I'm gonna throw this away anyways, but. So this is the next thing I got, is just this really pretty like white crop top. It is kind of sheer now that I look at it, but like with a neutral bra, I don't think it'll be that big of an issue. But this is really cute, and guys, this with the bucket hat too, like this is a whole look. I feel like tank tops in general are like good staples for your wardrobe for any season. So this is definitely something that's not just gonna sit in my closet. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. And then the next item is the blue tie detail denim jacket. This is the item that I think I'm most excited for. So let's open it and see what this one looks like. So first impressions, it is really, really cute. The buttons, I'm not dying for them. I don't know why. I just don't like these kind of flat buttons. It makes it look kind of cheap. Like the pant buttons, this looks a little bit more high end, you know, where it has like the logo. It kind of reminds me of a leather jacket where it has this neckline and it like buckles up top. I've never seen denim jackets like this, so I think it's really cute. The one thing that attracted me was the tie at the bottom. I saw that the model had a couple of pictures with it where she had it tied and other pictures where she didn't. And without the tie, it doesn't look as cute, but with it on, it's like a whole look. So I'm really in love with this jacket. I love the fit. I think the sleeves are really cool because they're kind of like puffy right here, so it makes the jacket look a little bit more oversized. And then I like that this just kind of cinches my waist so it doesn't make it look too big, you know. So I like it. And I actually ended up getting the pants that the model was wearing with this jacket, the stone cord peach drawstring joggers. So I think these pants specifically had like a jacket that goes with it that was gonna match the set. So they pretty much are like normal joggers. Ugh, the smell. It smells like balloons, like the dust that's on balloons. That's exactly what it smells like. The elastic is like, you're gonna die if you wear these. So I did get them a size US 2, which probably wasn't the best thing to do, but they are like really baggy. Like the legs are super baggy. So I don't want to get them a size 4 because I thought they would be like too much. The material is really strange. Like I've never owned anything with this material. It's kind of like satiny, but I'm also not too thrilled about like this situation going on in the front. Like it's just a weird buckle, but I mean they're not the worst. I like all of my joggers to be like cinched at the bottom just so that it gives kind of a little bit more structure to the pants. And they don't have pockets. Oh, they do. Oh, okay. Well, they do have like little pockets on the side also. So these pants, they fit okay, but like the elastic at the waist is extremely tight, and these are a US size 2. I don't know what's wrong with their sizing. The US size 4 is huge, and then the US 2 is too tight. So like I don't know. And these thingies, I'm not a big fan of them either. I had to like tuck them in and then just put like the top kind of over it because I think they look cuter like this. Okay, and then the last thing that I got is the black drop shoulder oversized crop top. So I got it in a US size 2, and it is oversized, but it's cropped, so it's cute. I mean, I do like these types of tops, and I love a good black t-shirt. It's really pretty. I mean, you can never really go wrong with a t-shirt. So yeah guys, this was my Missguided unboxing try on haul. I hope you guys liked the video. I can't wait to style some of these pieces and show you guys some fall inspo up on my Instagram. But like always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.